If Chrome is showing the network changed error, don't worry. This is usually a network, DNS, or connection issue, and in most cases you can fix it pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest and most effective steps to get Chrome working again on your Windows PC. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this one. First, let's start with the easiest fix, restarting your router. Unplug your modem and router from the power source, then wait about 30 seconds. This gives the network equipment a chance to fully clear out temporary connection problems. After that, plug the modem and router back in and wait until all the lights are stable and the connection is fully restored. Once the internet is back on, open Chrome again and check if the error is gone. If you still see the network change message, the next thing to do is disable any VPNs or proxies. VPNs and proxies can sometimes confuse Chrome by changing your IP address or routing traffic in a way that triggers this error. If you have a VPN app running, disconnect it completely. If you're using a proxy, turn it off in your system network settings. After disabling them, refresh Chrome and see if the page loads normally. If the problem is still happening, the next step is to reset your network configuration on Windows. This is one of the best fixes because it clears out old network data that may be causing IP or DNS conflicts. To do this, press the Windows key and type CMD. When you see command prompt, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This is important because the network reset commands need administrator access to work properly. Now, in the command prompt window, type each command one at a time, pressing enter after each one. The first command is ipconfig/release. This releases your current IP address. Then type ipconfig/renew. This asks the Windows to get a fresh IP address from your router. Finally, type netsh-winsock reset. This resets the Windows network socket settings, which can help fix deeper connection problems. Once you've entered all 4 commands, restart your computer. This final restart is very important because it lets Windows fully apply the changes you just made. After your PC comes back on, open Chrome and try browsing again. In many cases, the network changed error will be completely resolved at this point. If Chrome is still not working, you may want to double check that your internet connection is stable, your VPN is fully disabled, and your router is functioning properly. You can also try opening another browser to confirm whether the issue is only affecting Chrome or your whole network. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for the Chrome network changed error. Again, the key steps are restarting your router, disabling VPNs or proxies, and resetting your network configuration in Windows. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.